In order to properly protect an organization's data network, website operations, its business continuity plan, it's essential in today's world to have a data center network where you have servers operating those systems that are backed up at multiple redundant sites, and if one site fails, another one can be activated instantly online to operate. Problem is, we see events that occur like September 11th or any of the major hurricanes we've had that can knock out power to that area, flood buildings, limit access to buildings. And if those servers go down, your network is down. And if you're operating a website, your website may be down. If you're taking orders over a website, those orders may not be able to be processed. So you need multiple redundant facilities at different locations and multiple redundant sources of power, air conditioning, access to fiber networks that come close to eliminating the possibility that they will go down. It's a very complicated situation, but it's required for business continuity for almost all businesses, certainly larger and more complex businesses and businesses that do a lot on the internet. Choosing one of those vendors is a complicated series of choices that need to be made as to what location you're in, what type of facility you want to operate. Do you need instant accessibility and redundancy, or can you suffer short-term outages? For parts of your business, it may be that you can put your HR facility that if it went down for an hour, it wouldn't be a tragedy, or even a day or two, in a less robust facility, but your website where you get sales and orders may need to be in the top level of redundancy. So there are facilities like this all around the country. The pricing of those facilities varies based on the land costs and construction costs and labor and shipping costs in each area. You also have to look at the regulatory environment that a company lives in. If you're a bank or an investment bank, you're subject to different regulations that can impact where you locate the facilities, as well as whether or not you need that instant redundancy or not. When you negotiate a data center lease, one of the critical areas to look at is the level of redundancy that the owner, developer, operator of the facility is giving to you. We refer to that as a service level agreement and the level of uptime or reliability that that facility is going to provide. It's typically referred to as level of nines. Does that facility have 99% uptime, 99.9%? That's 3 nines or 4 nines or 5 nines or 6 nines, or will the operator guarantee 100% reliability that the facility will never go down? The greater redundancy that you want, the greater level of uptime, the greater the cost of developing and operating that kind of a facility.